Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Dart. The Dodge Dart was introduced as a lower-priced, shorter wheelbase, full-size Dodge in 1960 and 1961, became a mid-size car for 1962, and finally was a compact from 1963 to 1976. Chrysler had previously applied the Dart name to a Ghia-built show car in 1956 and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, compact spare tire, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.